going to show you what I saw when we went antiquing. I love antiquing, and getting decoration for the backyard is something that I just simply love. So look at these concrete sculptures. They would look amazing. I just had a couple of ideas of what I wanted, but I'm always enjoying every single antique stuff that I find. Not everything is something I will purchase, but I certainly can enjoy them. Hello, this is Martha with The Living Backyard. In this channel you can find all kinds of indoor plants, outdoor plants, and backyard fun stuff. Today I'm taking you antiquing with me. This pair of sculptures, oh my gosh, so adorable. They were a little bit pricey, so I didn't get them, but as you can see here, I spent a while just looking at them, and I love angels. If I was able to, I would have put this whole fountain in my vehicle, but it is way too big. This is another pair of angels. It's just gorgeous. And look at this pottery. I just love it. This plant, hey, reminds me of some of my plants. I really like this candle holder. It's resin, but it's still okay. And this, oh my gosh, I fell in love with it. If I had room, I would have really taken it. Maybe I will go back, I don't know. It has a place for pots on there. It has space for lighting, as you see, as they have it in there. It's just gorgeous. I found this other pair of cherubs, angels. It's like part of a mermaid. And the cute bench. And a room divider. I was seriously considering that. And look at this. The patina is gorgeous. Then inside of this shop, they had angels, a bunch of books, just beautiful stuff. Not everything has to be an antique, but every vintage stuff is gorgeous. And that doll, I kind of fell in love with it. And the kitty. There were a few cats in there, and of course I always have to go and stop and talk to the cats. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button. And this chandelier, actually they had several in there. They would be amazing outside in the porch, just with candles. This sign, oh, I love this sign. Betty Boop, more art. All the honey that you can eat. I was thinking for this wooden headboard to probably make it into a bench. At least we talk about it. And I love these fruit holders or basket holders or pottery holders, planters. Really neat stuff. I was about to just bring every single clay pot that I found. And the sculpture, We went to several of the towns around and spent the day antiquing. As you see, this is a different shop. Huge, with a bunch of things. Just gorgeous. This was a very whimsical wreath. And signs. I love the metal signs. If I had more shelves, literally, I would just cover them in those big, huge clay pots. And these were pretty cool. These are stamps, right? And shells. My grandma used to have a huge shell, kind of like those. And I used to love it. She had it in the backyard. It's just one of those memories that you enjoy every time that you see an object, like in this case that was a shell. And I love them all metal forms. And vintage dolls. I have a thing for dolls. I am on a doll diet. I cannot buy any more dolls. That sign was funny. All of this room was just kitchen stuff. My kitchen doesn't have many wall space, otherwise I would have just gotten a few of those. And the concrete angels and the cherubs, oh, so gorgeous. Some modern kind of sculpture pot sort of a thing. They were cute. They are cute. I like the one with the hearts. This, I love the pottery and I love the shelving unit. So cool. I was thinking, I can put this in my garage somewhere. Another cool thing for a candle or for some other type of lighting, even inside. And this, well, sad story. I thought, sometimes you're at the top of the world and next thing you know, you're next to a broken doll in an antique store. You don't need to hear my opinion about that. This sculpture is just something else. I love it. If I find a place in the yard to put it, I'm telling you, I'm going to go back. This as well. So beautiful. I like the patina and the fact that they are so old and have survived for the most part. I also need a bench. Well, this bench too, oh my gosh. I love Frida Kahlo, so this bench is like super happy. Then we said hello to Sasquatch. And I had the best hot dog ever. Huge and delicious. Oh my gosh. So guess what I bought? Try to guess what I bought out of all the things that you saw. If you said this Cupid, then you're right. Now this little Cupid, like in the old classic paint, is living in my flower bed. It's really big. I don't know if you can tell. I love what I bought, and thanks for keeping me company. See you in the next one.